Hello, welcome to Blender again. Blender is an amazing piece of software, but it keeps on changing a lot. If you look at the Blender website, from 2003, from Blender 1.0, you find a lot of versions up to Blender 3.0 of December 2021, meaning that Blender keeps on really changing each and every time, and some operations and shortcuts may change. For the sake of doing things properly, you may need to check which version of Blender you are using. There are different methods you can use. The first one is to look down here in the lower right corner. For example, here I have 3.0 version. The second method is to go to the Blender icon on the menu bar in the upper left corner and click, and then click the splash screen. You get the version of Blender again. The third way is to click the same icon again and click About Blender. The About Blender panel gives you the Blender version and the date of release, or the date it was compiled or created. The last method that gives a lot of information is to go to Help on the menu bar and click Save System Info. It prompts you to save a notepad file that contains a lot of information. Here I have saved one and I can show you. It is a file with a lot of information, Blender 3.0. It gives you the date it was built, and it gives you some additional information like the platform you are using, your operating system. Mine is Windows 10 in this case. As you know, Blender is developed in Python, so they show you the version of Python in which Blender was built, and many other additional information. For example, here you can see my renderer. I'm using GeForce MX 350 from NVIDIA. So that way, once you know your Blender version, you can follow, for example, a tutorial. You can know how you do things properly depending on the version you are having. Thank you for viewing. Consider subscribing or give us a thumb up. We'll see you in the next video.